Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna do my top 5 affordable brands in India. I'm gonna do different series of this also. I'm gonna do a different one maybe in dollars, but today I wanted to do my top 5 affordable brands, or the ones which have good products. I'm not gonna tell you, and I'm gonna tell you about the brands which are easily available online or in stores. So yes, today I'm gonna tell you all about the top 5 brands because I wanted to show you something very affordable, because every girl loves to do makeup, I'm very sure, but not everyone can, and not everyone want to buy a lot of expensive ones when they're in college, or maybe even if you are going to office, you don't want to buy a lot of expensive things, because I mean, even affordable brands have a lot of good stuff, so you actually don't need to buy expensive ones. So today I'm going to share you all the products and all the brands. When I was in college, honestly, I never did makeup. No makeup as such. I used to love the Maybelline, the gel liner. I used to love that, and that was my favorite. And the L18 lipsticks, I don't actually have any one of those, but I used to have two, which was, one was purely orange color and one was more of a pink color. So that two lipsticks were my favorite. And Maybelline lipsticks, obviously everyone loves those Maybelline lipsticks. I think they were very good. I never applied mascara, no eyeliner, no foundation, no concealer. I actually didn't even know what was concealer. So no foundation, no concealer, no powder, nothing, just a thick gel eyeliner, lipstick, and that was all for the makeup. So going on to my favorite brand, which is Wet n Wild. They have amazing products. I think all the things from Wet n Wild is really good, except the mascaras. I'm not a big fan of mascaras and the eyebrow pencils. Other than that, foundation is one of my favorite. I mean it might be for around 450 dirhams and 450 rupees, not dirhams, rupees, 450 rupees, and I'm very sure on NYKAA you will get it for a much cheaper price whenever there is discount. So just wait for the sale that might happen on NYKAA, because I'm pretty sure NYKAA has the best deals for all the makeup products. So just wait for that. The concealer is my favorite for every day. I seriously can't find it, but because I have so many products on my table, but the Wet n Wild Color Icon concealer, that is one of my favorite. I mean, I use it every day. Whenever I'm not doing these type of makeup, I use that for my everyday makeup look. Then the powder is really good, very affordable. Then the highlighters is very good. I mean, best highlighter in the drugstore market, in the drugstore range. I think they have so many different colors. I'm not sure all the shades might be available on NYKAA, but this is the shade Precious Petals, and if you're my skin tone, it will suit you, and it is very blinding, very good. And the blushes are very affordable. I mean it might be for around, just let me check, but they are very affordable, and they have 5 or 6 different type of shades as well. They are for 299 rupees, but I'm very sure if you find a good deal, you will get for a much cheaper price. I have all the shades. I think all the 5 or 6 shades, I have all of them. They are very good. I mean, the foundation, the Color Icon foundation, this one is one of my favorite. I mean, one of my favorite. It is very affordable. So I mean, Wet n Wild in total is a very good brand. You can find everything from Wet n Wild, and you won't actually regret buying all these products. The lipsticks are amazing. They are very cheap. I have the new version. I got it from a different website. I think they have changed the packaging, or this is a different version as well, but this is also very cheap. And yeah, Wet n Wild is, I think Wet n Wild is everybody's favorite because it is very good. The eyeshadow palettes is also very good. I have ordered a couple of more also. As you can see, these are the new palettes, and they are also very affordable. And it's not like if they're affordable they are not gonna work. It will work. And the metallic shades are also metallic and not just a okay quality. It is a very good quality. So yeah, Wet n Wild in general, in total, is a very good brand, and you won't actually regret buying anything from Wet n Wild. I can't speak about their mascaras and their eyebrow products, but other than that, everything is really good. Then going on to the brand Essence, they are also very affordable. I mean, it is very cheap. My favorite actually is the Brighten Up Banana powder. As you can see, it has a yellow tint, so you can just use this powder to just brighten up your under eyes. After you are done with setting your under eyes, just use it and it will brighten up your under eyes, and it is very cheap as well. They have a they have a peach powder as well, so if you want, check that out. Then Essence has these amazing blushes as well. It is very cheap and they are very good. Yeah, the lip liners, I have I think 7 or 8 of those. I'll show you these retractable ones. They are very good, very creamy. If you have this, you don't need any high-end ones. They are really nice. Then Essence has amazing lipstick. They are very cheap, and I think I have a ton of them. I have these satin lipsticks, comfortable bullet lipsticks. Then I have these matte ones as well. I have a lot of them in my drawer as well. Then this is my favorite, which is the Essence Make Me Brow. This is a dupe for the Benefit Gimme Brow. That is very expensive, and I use this every day, so I don't want to invest in something very expensive that will get over very soon. And as you can see, I have 2 backups as well because I use it every day. It has a lot of fibers to it, so it gives you a little bit of volume, and this is also very affordable. Recently they had come out with these lip glosses, which are the plumping nudes. These are also very beautiful, very pretty. Why is my camera not focusing? These are also very good. I'm not talking about the foundation, that is not that great, but the lipsticks are very comfortable. The blushes are really well, and the highlighter, which is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is not a very blinding highlighter, but this will give you a very beautiful sheen all over your face. So when you are done with your makeup, you can just use a big fluffy brush and just put it all over your face, and it will give you a very beautiful glow from within, and it is very affordable as well. Then going on to Rimmel, as you can see, this is the Stay Matte Press powder, and this is one of my favorite, and I use it every day to set my face. And you can see I have already hit pan, and I already have a backup because it is very affordable, and if you find it on discount, very good. It is a really good powder. It is not cakey. It won't make your face look heavy, or it won't make your... I don't use it to set my under eyes, but to set my entire face, and every day also I just use it, and it is pretty good. And they have a couple of shades. I use the shade Sandstorm, and I think they have one more which is translucent, but I would just prefer to go for something more similar to my skin tone. Then their lipsticks are very good, very comfortable. I don't have a lot of Rimmel products, but they are affordable, and yeah, these lipsticks are also really good. These are the matte lipsticks, and they are very comfortable, very affordable. They have different face products as well, the blush palette, the contour palette. They have the one which has the blush, contour, highlight as well, and if you find it on a good deal, good for you. The mascara is also good from Rimmel. The mascara Scandal Eyes Reloaded is also one of my favorite mascara. I use the one which is not waterproof, and it really comes out well even if you're using just water, so it is very good. Then going on to Maybelline also has a ton of good products. Eyeshadow palettes are not good, sorry, but they are really not good. But the foundations are so good, and the powder is so good. The highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter, is one of my favorite. They have a couple of shades as well. Then they have good bronzer palettes, blush palettes, so I think Maybelline in general is a very good palette. Then they have a lot of mascaras. I mean, Maybelline mascaras are very good. All the mascaras are really great, and this one is my favorite, and it is very good. It gives you a good volume, and the lipsticks are also very affordable. These lipsticks are I think for $2.99, and if you find it on discount, much cheaper price. The liquid lipsticks are also very good, but depending on what your budget is, you can go for the products you want to buy. Then actually I also forgot to mention the Essence mascara. These are really good, and my favorite is the Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension mascara. This gives you a very good volume, and they have, I think, a ton of mascaras. I mean, a lot of mascaras, but this is one of my favorite. It gives you a lot of volume. Yeah, I actually forgot to mention those. Then Maybelline has amazing concealer. This is one of the best concealer. I mean, in comparison to high end, it is really good, and it is one of my favorite. I used to use it every day. Now I'm actually not using it, but it is a very good mascara, and I seriously don't know why my camera is not focusing today. I mean, it gives you a very good coverage, full coverage, so it's really good. The mascaras are really good, the highlight is really good, the foundation is really good. Even the brow pencils, they are seriously very nice. Then going on to the last one, I think I have two options, the NYKAA Cosmetics as well as the Makeup Revolution ones. Makeup Revolution has everything that you want for full face, but they are also not very affordable, but they are in the range of, depending on what product you're buying, there are different ranges, and they are a dupe for a lot of things from a lot of brands. So yeah, I have these blushes, the highlighter palettes, they have foundations, they have concealers, they have powders, they have lipsticks, everything they have, but they are affordable and they are a dupe for a high-end brand. So if you are wishing to buy any high-end brand and you want a dupe of that, you can surely find it from Makeup Revolution. And the other one is NYKAA Cosmetics. Even they have affordable products as well, and you have different products for different ranges. Recently they came out with the new So Creamy matte lipstick, but they are not my favorite. But still, I'm telling you, if you want an affordable lipstick, you can surely find. If you want a full face of makeup, I'm very sure you can find everything from Wet n Wild. That is one of the best brands, and you won't regret buying any product from Wet n Wild. So I think I would prefer Wet n Wild for everything. Use the Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara from Essence. It is really good. The mascaras from Essence or Maybelline, both are seriously very good. Maybe I'll do a separate video for if anyone, my followers, are living here in Dubai. I'll totally do a different video for the brands which are affordable, which are available here, and I will do a separate video for maybe US. But today I wanted to do something for my Indian followers, because I want you guys to watch my video, and I don't want to recommend any brand which is affordable but which might not work. So it is of no use if you are buying something which is affordable but which will not work. So I think that is of seriously no use. So just do your own research as well. But I think Wet n Wild is a very good brand, and the second one is little bit pricey than the Wet n Wild one, that is Maybelline, and you will find a lot of stuffs which are good from Maybelline. But firstly, it will be Wet n Wild because it is very good. This foundation, seriously, it is very good. It gives you a very natural finish on your skin, and it is one of my favorites. It smells like paint, but it is very good. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please let me know in the comments below which is your favorite brand, affordable brand, which product you prefer. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll keep doing these type of makeup videos in future as well. So yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video.